Welcome back, guys. So there is an error in the expression. There is some wrong referenced. So let's resolve all of the errors. So first of all, let me see. Basically, the air is defined as fluid 1. So we have to change it in the expressions. Click on apply. Similarly, click on apply and okay. So all of the errors are resolved. So let's run the simulation. Okay, guys, the solver is finished. So let's come to the last point to generate the results. Okay, let me delete the contours or just close this window, and we can attach a new CFD result. Okay, so now if we see here, it's a small region, but I want to see the complete 360 view. So what we have to do for it, come to default transform, change the axis to X, basically we have to create 12. Okay, so now we can see the complete 360 degree view of the tank. So let me create a plane. So you can see the same setting is applied to plane. So the software created 12 planes, but I only need one plane. So for that, we just have to come to view section and uncheck applied instancing transform and click on apply. Now you can see, now it's fine. So in the plane one, I want to see the volume fraction of air and change the range to user specified. Okay, the maximum value set 2.04 and click on apply. Also यहाँ से काट दिया. Also change the location to plane 1. Again come to view and uncheck. Okay, so now if we rotate it, okay, you can see the air fraction in the tank. Also I want to increase the number of contours to 50, so we have a more smooth results. Also uncheck the wireframe. So now I want to duplicate the contour 1. Okay, come to contour 2, come to view section, apply reflection about the ZX plane. Okay, now you can see a more realistic look. Okay, also we can see the pressure. But what I want to see is the vorticity. यार यहाँ से काट देना. We want to see vorticity. ये वाला काट देना section. So other thing we can see, the turbulent kinetic energy. So click on 10. So now you can see the create numbers. Also for the second contour, change the value to. Okay, the more turbulence means the more mixing area. So where we see the more turbulent kinetic energy, it's mean the most of the mixing is occurring in this region between the water and the air. Now other thing we can see, come to the tank default. Also turn on the wall baffles. So I want to change the variable to wall shear, click on apply and local to have more realistic results. So you can see the most of the air is trapped inside the tank, the inner wall of the tank, and there is a air at the outer side of the tank at the top of the tank. So most of the air travel to the upward direction. So that's all for today video. We'll see you in the next lecture. Also about the air holdup, I forget about it. We come to display monitors and user point. So maximum air holdup, sorry, average air holdup at the end is 0.0345. So we can see it here. Okay guys, thanks for watching.